Good day, everyone. So now we are going to answer the new set of mathematics reviewer. So in number 11, we are asked to simplify the equation 2x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 4. So we have here 2x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 4. 2x times x is equal to 2x squared. 2x times negative 4 is equal to negative 8x. 1 times x is equal to x. 1 times negative 4 is equal to negative 4. So we'll simplify 2x squared. Negative 8x plus x is equal to negative 7x. Copy negative 4. So the answer is 2x squared minus 7x minus 4, which is letter C. Let's proceed to number 47. 1296 is divided into 4 parts. 4 is to 6, 6 is to 3, and 3 is to 5. So what are the parts? So first thing to do is we will add 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Second is we will divide 1296 to 18. So 1296 divided by 18 is equal to 72. To get the part, what we're going to do is we will multiply 72 for the given 4 parts. So first is 72 times 4 is equal to 288, which is our first part. To get the second part, we will 72 times 6 is equal to 432, our second part. 72 times 3 is equal to 216, which is our third part. 72 times 5 is equal to 360, which is our fourth part. So therefore, our answer is letter A. Let's move on to number 83. What is the simplest form of m? M is multiplied by m raised to the power of 2/3 raised to the power of 2/3 and raised to the power of 2/3. So m is raised to 1 plus 2/3 is 5/3 raised to the power of 2/3 and raised to the power of 2/3. 5/3 times 2/3 will be 10 over 9 2/3. 10 over 9 times 2/3 is equal to m 20 over 27. So the answer will be m is 20 over 27, which is letter D. M is raised to the power of 20 over 27. Let's move on to 190. Let's move on to 119. Simplify 5z squared plus z over z squared minus 1 divided by 10z squared plus 2z over 4z squared plus z minus 5. So we'll get the factor of z squared minus 1, 5z squared plus z over z plus 1 times z minus 1 divided by, we will get the factor of 10z squared plus 2z, which is 2 times 5z squared plus z over, we also get the factor of 4z squared plus z minus 5, which is 4z plus 5 times z minus 1. So cross multiply 5z squared plus z over z plus 1 times z minus 1. Cross multiply will be 4z plus 5 times z minus 1 over 2 times 5z squared plus z. So cancel, 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 cancel. So the answer will be 4z plus 5 over, we will multiply this one. 2 times z plus 1 is equal to 2z plus 2. So therefore, the answer is letter C. Let's proceed to 155. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. What is the value of y when x is equal to 3? So if you're an equation, y is equal to 3x plus 2. So we are asked to find the value of y. So what we're going to do is we will substitute the value of our x. Y is equals to 3. Our x is 3 plus 2. Y is equals to 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So our y is equal to 11. Therefore, the answer is letter C. Let's proceed to 191. M varies directly as the square of n, and m is equal to 150 when n is equal to 5. So m varies directly as the square of n squared, and m is equal to 150 when n is equal to 5. So our n is 5 and our m is 150. So they're both divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 150 divided by 5 is 30. So therefore, m is equal to 1 over 30 as the square of n. So therefore, the answer is letter D. Let's proceed to 227. In the adjoining figure, side AB and side CD, what congruent principle may be used to show that triangle ADC is equal to triangle CBA? So looking at the given figure, we can see that side AD is equal to side BC. Side CD is equal to side BA. Angle ADC is equal to angle CBA. Angle ADC and angle CBA, they are vertical angles. Therefore, the correct congruence principle to use would be side angle side, which state that if two sides and the included angle of one triangles are equal to two sides and the included angles of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. So our answer is letter A. Let's proceed to 263. The marching band enters the gym and marches across the gym without turning. Which of the following describe the transformation? It is translation. Why? Because the transformation takes each point in a figure and slide it the same distance in the same direction. So it is letter A. So let's proceed to 299, wherein we are asked to calculate side C given two angles and one sides. We're going to use the sine law, where A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. So our side A is equal to 8. Our side A is 30 equal to side C is unknown and angle C rather is 100. So next is we will do the cross multiplication. So 8 sine 100 is equal to C sine 30 will be equal to 15.75 or approximate 15.8. So the answer is letter D. 335. What is the probability that the chosen card from a standard deck is either a queen or ace? So there are 4 queens and 4 aces in a standard deck of 52 cards. And the events are mutually exclusive. So the probability is 4 plus 4 over 52 is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8 over 52 or 2 over 13. So the answer is letter D. 371. Which statistical test is best used to the test significant difference of the mean of two groups? A. ANOVA, B. T-test, C. Wilcoxon rank sum test, the z-test. So the answer is t-test. Why? Because t-test is an inferential statistics used to determine if there is a significant difference between the means of the two groups and how they are related. So the answer is letter B. Let's proceed to 407. So find the distance between point 1/2 and 1/2 to the line x is equal to negative 1/2. The line x is equal to negative 1/2 is a vertical line passing through the point negative 1/2 y. So therefore, the shortest distance from the point 1/2 and 1/2 to the line x is equal to negative 1/2 is the horizontal distance between the points and line. So the horizontal distance is simply the absolute value of the difference between the x coordinates of the points and any point of the line. So let's choose the point. Negative 1/2, and the value of our y is 0. So on the line, the distance between point 1/2 and 1/2 and the x is equals to 1/2 is 1/2 minus negative 1/2 is equal to 1. So therefore, the answer is letter C. Let's proceed to number 443. Which of the following equation is the best representation for the problem? An airplane is flying towards a radar station at a constant height of 6 km above the ground. The distance between the airplane and radar station is decreasing at a rate of 400 km per hour when s is equal to 10 km. So let x and y be the horizontal and vertical distance respectively and be the displacement. So first, let's make a diagram. So let's say A will represent the airplane, B will represent the radar. So an airplane has a constant height of 6 km. And it is RR. So RR is a point on the ground directly below the plane. So the horizontal distance between A and B is x, the vertical distance is y, and the distance between the airplane and the radar station is s. Since the airplane is flying toward the radar station, the distance is decreasing at a rate of 400 km per hour. Therefore, we can write ds over dd is equal to negative 400 km per hour. So we want to find an equation that relates the variable x, y, and s. So from the diagram, we can say that s squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So the answer is letter C. Let's proceed to number 479. Which of the following is usually used with multi-based arithmetic blocks in developing numeration concepts? A. Fraction math. B. Number expander. C. Whole part chart. D. Algebra tiles. So, a whole part chart is a tool that can be used in conjunction with these blocks to help students develop their understanding of numeration concepts. So, the answer is letter C. Why letter C? It's because whole part chart is a tool that can be used in conjunction with these blocks to help students to develop their understanding of numeration concepts.